What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making smoked oxtails. Ha! Let's get it. All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's get into some of these ingredients. We're gonna be using this AC MVP seasoning. I got some of this Kinder's Prime Steak seasoning, and we're gonna be using a little bit of black pepper. All right, let's go ahead and get it covered. All right, after you have them coated, they should look something like this. Take a look at that right there. Yeah, just make sure you do both sides. Also, make sure you get the corners. Make sure they fully covered with seasoning. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and take this to the smoker. I'm gonna have it sitting at 250 degrees. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so I got my smoker is sitting at 250 degrees. So let's go ahead and load these up. I do have a grilling rack in there, so it'd be easier for me to grab this whole thing out. So let's just go ahead and lay them in there. And that's all it is to it. So we're gonna let these bad boys smoke for probably about an hour 45, maybe 2 hours, depending on the color of it. And then, hey, I catch you in a minute. All right, you guys, these oxtails been on here for about 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. It's time to braise them up. All right, see you in a second. All right, y'all, it's time to braise these things up. I got about 1/3 of an onion cut up. Since I don't have that many oxtails, I don't need that much onion, so I got those cut up. I'm gonna be putting some of this red wine vinegar in there. Also gonna be putting some of this beef broth in there. So go ahead and sit that on top. And you want to fill this up till they reach at least about halfway. You don't have to completely cover them. And okay, that's what it looks like after you got it covered all the way up. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take some aluminum foil, go ahead and put it on top, put it back on the smoker, probably about another 2 hours, or until these oxtails is super tender. All right, see you in a minute. All right, you guys, it's been about 2 hours and 20 minutes on these oxtails. I wanted to make sure these things was as tender as I want. I wanted no resistance. You see how that's coming straight up out of there? So that means these things is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, sit them in the house. You know I'm gonna drain all this juice. I'm keeping that, that's flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on some rice. Hey, see you in a second. And there you have it, smoked oxtails. Take a look at that right there, man. Look at them onions on that rice. Come on, that don't get no better than this. Got that AC's barbecue, that Kinder's, and that black pepper. That's all you need. I'm gonna give a shout out to my man Elias Barbecue out there in Utah, man. He really putting oxtails on the map right now. I appreciate you, man. But hey, if you like my video, make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. You know what time it is. It's time to eat.